Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Right click on Google Chrome web browser and open its file location. Then right click on it and select show more options and just rename it as Chrome 1 and hit enter. Now right click and select delete, unpin from taskbar. Then show more options, send to desktop, as you can create a shortcut. Right click, and now we need to rename it again as Chrome only and hit enter. Pin to taskbar. Okay. Go to search bar and type here CMD. Right click on it and select run as administrator. Select as. These commands are really important. You will get these commands from the description below. Just copy and paste on command prompt window to avoid mistakes and hit enter to execute them. After that, close this command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.